Welcome to Starfish Design. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I created a beautiful resin wall clock. Whether you're new to resin or looking for creative inspiration, the step-by-step guide will help you bring your own unique design to life. So let's get started. First you want to choose and cut your wood to fit the round silicone mould. You place your wood inside the mould. Now mix up some resin. I'm using Art Coat resin from Resin Australia. This is a base layer that will cure overnight. Next you want to choose your pigment colours. I'm using colours similar to my rustic wood piece. So I'm using buttercup, spearmint and mint. These are Resin Australia pigment pastes. So pinch your paper cup to make a spout and then carefully pour each of the colours into the mould. Make sure that you don't get any on your beautiful wood piece. You can use any colour that you want to and any type of wood for this project. Once you've added the colours, I just blend a little bit with the wooden stick by pulling each colour into the other colour. This will change as the resin settles once it's cured as well. Now you gently pop the bubbles with a heat gun. Make sure that you don't overheat the resin or burn your silicone mould. Now we're just going to leave this to cure overnight. You can also add weights to help seal the wood down. The next day remove the weights. Now you can start placing the ceramic pieces onto the resin parts of your project. So mix up some clear river pour resin. I don't add any tint to this resin because I want to see my ceramic pieces. Just very carefully pour it over, avoiding the wood part of your project. Now using a heat gun, gently flash over the resin to release the bubbles. Cover your project and allow it to fully cure. When the resin is fully cured, you can gently remove it from the mould. It's looking really beautiful and so clear and ready for the top layer of resin. Now I like to sand the edges to make them nice and smooth. And we're going to tape off the back to catch the resin drips. I clean the top surface with isopropyl alcohol. So mix up your top coat resin. I'm using Art Coat resin. You just need to drizzle a small amount onto the resin parts of your project first. Now I use my gloved hand to wipe and spread the resin across the top surface and wiping round the sides. Now you want to add some more resin to the top to create a beautiful doming effect. Use the heat gun to warm up the resin and release the bubbles. You want to cover and leave this to fully cure. Once it's fully cured, heat up the tape on the back to remove any resin drips. Now you can insert your clock mechanism. I had an old copper clock face to add to my project. Put the clock hands on to finish.